Have you ever looked at a cosmetic product and thought, what's really inside of it? Or how can I make product like that by myself at home? Or even start a project with it? The truth is very simple, more than you can imagine. Hello, welcome to Merga. I'm Muhammad Jalen, and today we're going to talk about how to become a cosmetic formulator. Many people are confounded with expensive prices of cosmetic products. They can't afford it. Sometimes they can't even be sure about the ingredients being used in these products. Many people have dreamed of starting a project. However, they got stuck on the question, where do I start? What do I need? Or how can I make products to be truly safe and effective? The solution is very simple. It's to learn the basic rules of cosmetology and cosmetic formulation, and understanding ingredients that every product is built on, from whether being chemical or natural. And we will focus only on natural ingredients. Someone going to ask me, is it really worth it? Many people started making remedies and skincare products for their families and friends, and over time it grew into a small online brand. So these stories prove not just it's realistic but also achievable. It's not a faraway dream. Big question here, why should I urgently start to do this? If you started to do this today, you're going to save a lot of money by avoiding buying these expensive products. Also, you will learn how to make your own products based on scientific knowledge in a safe and healthy way, not just for you, but also for your family too, and maybe open the door for extra income. Every day you delay your decision is a missing opportunity that maybe change your whole life. Now, what's the best idea to become a cosmetic formulator? The answer is very simple. It's to follow our free course on our YouTube channel. It's completely free. You won't pay anything. Also, in the next part, I'm going to talk and explain everything about ingredients, tools, and instructions needed for crafting our own products. So, what you're waiting for? All you need is to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and let's start our journey together to craft our own products. See you in the next part.